This Coldwell Banker Associated Brokers Realty, Incorporated property video is presented by Katie LaFleur. This classic home sits on a half-acre lot. It has stunning curbside appeal. It features 4 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms. It has a cherrywood gourmet kitchen, main floor laundry, 2 covered porches, beautiful basement with a wet bar and theater room, along with a workout room and surround sound. This home has everything you are looking for. Newer siding, windows and roof. It also has reverse osmosis system, 2 sump pumps, 2 newer air conditioners, and 2 newer water heaters. The 3-stall garage is heated. The beautiful covered porch on the back has a fan and a lovely view of the beautiful landscaping. This home is meticulously cared for. Come take a look, it won't last long.